Today, I'm going to unveil the magic of one of nature's rarest shades, Irish red hair tones, and how you can safely bring this fiery color to your own hair. Red hair isn't just a color, it's a passion. If you're ready, let's get started. The secret of Irish red. When you think of Ireland, don't just picture lush green hills and lucky clovers. This land is home to the world's highest population of redheads. But why? The answer lies in genetics. The MC1R gene mutation is the source of this fiery hue. But don't worry, even if you weren't lucky in the genetic lottery, you can still achieve this enchanting shade with hair dyes. From natural red to dyed color. Natural red hair ranges from golden tones to deep cherry hues. But which one suits you best? Here are some tips. Golden red, perfect for blondes. It gives a warm and sunlit effect. Cherry red, a favorite among brunettes. It creates a deep and dramatic impact. Strawberry red, ideal for those who love pinkish tones, but beware, these shades require extra care, or they'll fade in no time. Golden rules for red hair. Dyes. Red tones tend to fade faster than other colors. How can you preserve them? Choosing the right dye. Avoid ash-based dyes for longer-lasting results. Warm-toned reds last longer. Shampoo selection. Use sulfate-free formulas, as red pigments are delicate. Color protection. Nourish your hair weekly with a red pigment mask. Natural ways to achieve red tones. For those who prefer chemical-free alternatives, henna. Ideal for copper red tones, but be careful, it's hard to reverse. Beet juice. Apply to your hair and leave for an hour for a temporary pinkish red effect. Hibiscus. Tea. Brew, cool, and apply to your hair for a subtle red tint, an affordable solution. Styling tips for red hair. Red hair also influences your makeup and wardrobe choices. Makeup. Highlight your eyes with gold or olive green eyeliner. Clothing. Turquoise, emerald green, and khaki shades perfectly complement red hair. Accessories. Copper and gold jewelry enhance your vibrant shade. That's it, dear viewers. Red hair is a symbol of confidence and uniqueness. Which shade would you like to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. And remember, true beauty comes from embracing yourself. Take care.